Hi guys! So guys, it's time to go home after my Instacart. So this is here in Michigan, guys. It's 8 p.m. now, and it's a snowstorm, guys. First, I think it's a second snowstorm in Michigan. So I bet tomorrow it's going to be the road will be slippery, and probably we have at least 5 inches of snow tomorrow morning. So as you can see, it's a pretty bad road. So I just have keep wiping my my window. So it's pretty there's not a lot of cars anymore here, guys. Okay, not a lot of cars. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Just showing you how the road look like, or the snow time here in Michigan. So far I got a good tip from other customers, and I hope that it'll be that way. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and have a good day to everyone. Bye bye. It's no time to go home and eat my dinner.